Have you ever wondered what makes a school day amazing? Not just good, but super awesome. Well, today we're following Mia, a bright, curious kid, as she moves through her school routine. And trust me, every part of her day has something exciting to learn. Morning routine. Mia wakes up when the sun peeks through her curtains. She stretches, smiles, and remembers her rule. A good day starts with a good morning. She brushes her teeth, washes her face, chooses a comfy outfit for school. Then she eats a healthy breakfast: fruit, cereal, a big glass of water to get energy for learning. Kids, a strong morning routine helps your brain wake up and get ready for the day. Arriving at school, Mia hops off the bus and waves at her friends. She walks inside calmly because safety comes first. She hangs her backpack, puts her lunchbox away, checks the classroom schedule. Being organized makes the whole day easier and helps you feel confident. Morning learning, reading, and math. First, it's reading time. Mia's class picks up their books and reads quietly. Stories take her to new worlds, castles, forests, oceans, even outer space. Then it's math time, where Mia solves puzzles and patterns. She learns that numbers aren't scary. They're actually fun. Reading grows your imagination. Math builds your problem-solving superpower. Snack break. Mia washes her hands and enjoys her snack, an apple and crackers. She talks with friends, laughs a little, and recharges her energy. Healthy snacks help your brain stay focused. Specials, art, music, or play. On Tuesdays, Mia has art class. She paints, draws, and learns that creativity has no wrong answer. Other days she has music, where she plays instruments, where she runs, jumps, and stays active. Special classes help you discover your talents. Maybe you'll find a new passion. Lunchtime. In the cafeteria, Mia lines up politely. She chooses a balanced lunch: protein, veggies, and something yummy. She practices table manners and talks kindly with friends. Being respectful in shared spaces makes school a happier place. Afternoon learning, science, and social studies. After lunch, it's science time. Today they explore how plants grow. Mia loves experiments, especially when something bubbles or glows. Then comes social studies, where she learns about communities, heroes, and how people work together. Science helps you understand the world. Social studies helps you understand people. Pack up. And reflection. As the day ends, Mia packs her backpack, checks her homework folder, and thinks about her day. What did she learn? What made her proud? Reflecting helps you grow every single day. Going home, Mia waves goodbye, hops on the bus, feels excited to rest, play, and get ready for another great day tomorrow. Final message: 9 hours. So many moments. A school routine isn't just about rules. It's about learning, growing, making friends, and becoming the best version of yourself.